If you're looking to see a clown, you go to circus. If you're looking to see a lawyer, you go to lawyer office. I came to Mr. Lefkowitz's office, but I am not sure I saw a lawyer. I would like to explain you. For example,
what did you go see him for?
General consultation.
Yeah, over what?
About procedure question.
Okay, what did he go see you for?
6 pending cases in the Brooklyn Civil Court alone. That's the Brooklyn Civil Court, not counting the Small Claims Court, which I don't even know how many he has there. This is a guy with way too much time on his hands. He's got 6 cases going on right now in Brooklyn Civil Court alone.
Okay, the ones that... All right, so you go to see him about cases that you've already filed?
No.
Who filed the cases?
I don't know.
Your Honor, can I hand up Exhibit 7?
He's crazy a little bit, I'm sorry.
Okay,
I'll
I'm
show you
sorry.
the cases
Did
he filed.
you file cases?
You're crazy a little bit,
No,
I'm
don't
sorry.
talk. You paid him $150 and then you gave him a tip.
I gave him a little bit more because I hoped for future cooperation.
Okay, so you gave him $150 plus a $50 tip.
He is not waiting.
He was so pleased with what I had to say, apparently, that he gave me an extra $50, and that's borne out by the emails he sent me, which I will get
Let
to
me see
shortly.
The emails. So you paid him for his time. He gave you his time. Why are you suing him now?
Thank you, sir.
He showed me full unrespect, and all his consulting is fake.
Fact. What about the fact that this guy gave the lawyer a $50 tip? Does that make it sound like the job is good? Can the judge consider the tip?
I don't think he's supposed to, but I think he will subconsciously think about... I think she will think subconsciously about what...
Well, can the judge think consciously about that?
I don't think she's supposed to.
Okay, fair enough. Going inside the...
That is like a cheap trick, you know. But tricking is good for family, for friends, even maybe in synagogue.
Okay.
I'm happy your client saw you. How you discover against ethics law. I'm happy.
You're also a moron.
That is the reason I brought you here.
You know what mudak means in English?
Your pots.
I have a question for you. Where'd you go to law school?
University of Maryland.
How long have you been a lawyer?
18 years.
You're a member of the bar in what states?
New York, Maryland, and Pennsylvania.
What would New York, Maryland, and Pennsylvania have to say about you calling a former client a moron at all, much less at the People's Court?
I don't think they would have anything to say about that, Your Honor. It's not a court of law. I don't think
So
the
it
bar would
just
have to say
doesn't matter? You don't have to treat a client with respect?
That's not what I said, Your Honor.
No, it's what you almost said, and you
Almost
caught
said,
yourself. Stop and listen to me,
Listen.
okay? You think that because this is the People's Court and not your district court, circuit court, county court, of wherever you practice, you don't need to treat a client with respect? You think any of those 3 bar associations would say, you can go ahead and treat a client with disrespect? Don't say a word. It's a rhetorical question. You need to be ashamed of yourself. You're right in the lawsuit and quite wrong about the way you comport yourself. You should be embarrassed. You have ended up embarrassing yourself by the way you tried to embarrass your former client. You could have won with dignity, and instead, you're the one who has ended up looking bad.
All right, let's first find out what the plaintiff has to say here. Come on out here. Tell me, what do you think about the outcome of the case now?
It's real, great, fair.
Are you glad did you get what you wanted? I mean,
Yes.
You didn't get any money, but you heard what the judge said to the
Money
defendant.
was guaranteed, but honor, respect.
Hey, what happened in your case against the company? What's happening to that case that you have?
Hey, come on, that lawyer is crazy. He's talking, he doesn't know about what is he talking. No, any case.
All right, good luck. Good luck. Right around the corner this way. All right, so come on in here. Step right in here. What do you have to say after the judge had those words for you?
Doesn't change the fact that Mr. Shkolnik is the east end of a westbound horse.
Harvey?
Okay, if there is enough evidence of an MO, a modus operandi on the part of somebody, where they've done the same thing over and over and over again, then the judge can consider that because that's simply the way that person rolls.